Okay, guys, we are in my room. Wait, in our room. We got the ocean view stateroom. So we got a nice view right behind our bed. So we have sweet dreams at night, if you know what I mean. Okay, and we got a TV, pretty nice TV, a little sofa, and oh shoot. Oh, I guess that's like if we like share like with our family or something, we could just like hop in there. And then we have our mirror with the sexy guy on it. Okay, just kidding. And we have a huge restroom. Look at that. No, it's not that big, but.
Good afternoon, Liberty Seas, and welcome aboard, y'all. We are inviting you to Get to Know the Liberty, happening at 2:30 in the Platinum Theater. That's deck 3 all the way forward. You want to take the promenade deck on deck 5, go to the front of the ship, and head down to deck number 3 to the Platinum Theater. That's happening at 2:30. We'll be raffling prizes off from all over the ship, so we'll see y'all there.
Oh, nice. Okay, so they said head to the theater because they'll be raffling off prizes. Oh, dang, we got a safe box. I don't even know what we need it for. Oh, I guess we could put like the camera in there or something. I don't know. How do we get the code though?
It should be like right there.
Okay. But yeah, guys, we are cozying up right now. We're about to head out, and I don't know. I'm gonna hit the casino. I've never hit a casino, so that should be fun. And I don't know. Just stand by for more. Any interesting stuff, I will try to videotape it. Everything. I'll try to get everything on video. And yeah. Do you have anything to say, babe?
Like we're gonna have a video for this whole cruise, so stay tuned. And yeah.
Yeah. Okay.